Hey guys, do you love matcha and want something to change up your morning routine? Then this recipe is for you right here. It is my matcha yogurt bowl, and you can put anything from granola in it to fresh fruit and whatever you enjoy in your usual yogurt bowl. So stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's see what I am making. You will need any matcha you have on hand, some yogurt, today I have skyr, but you can use anything, any fresh fruit, and if you must have carbs, you can do pumpkin seeds, you can do chia seeds, you can do granola, anything like that. So to start, I am gonna measure out about 1 cup of yogurt. You can do more or less if you want to, just adjust your matcha ratio accordingly. I really love skyr. If you haven't tried if you haven't tried how come I can't say that? 1 second. If you haven't tried Icelandic yogurt, then I highly recommend you do. It's just like a thicker Greek yogurt, but way more healthy. And this is where the matcha part comes in. You're gonna add as little or as much matcha as you like. I usually do about 4 scoopfuls to this, just to really get that nice matcha flavor. And then I'm gonna stir it in and adjust as needed. But I think this is looking good, so I think I'll stick with this. Now give it a really good mix to incorporate. But I even like leaving some streaks in just to kind of get that white and green effect. Now we are simply just gonna ladle this, or spoon it, into our bowl. And then we're going to work on the toppings after this. So I ended up finding some granola in my pantry, so I am definitely going to put some of that on. But right now I'm just going to focus on slicing up my banana into this, or any other fruit that you may have, and just neatly presenting it. Runaway banana. Banana. Now let's do a nice presentation of our bananas on top. Have fun with it. Food is meant to be fun. Let's see who can come up with the better design. Send me your photos. Put in some hard thought into this. I'm not competitive at all. You are. But you know I'm gonna win, right? And yes, you can add in anything you want additionally if you want to win the competition or at least compete. And just so you know, it's a metaphoric competition, you don't have to do this. I finished decorating mine, I hope you have too. Now let's show each other. How does that look? It looks good to me. I'm gonna enjoy this a lot. And guess what? The competition's a tie, because in the end we all win because we all get some delicious food. I am gonna have some of this matcha yogurt with a bit of the granola. And let's try. I love the matcha hit that I got from that, and when you have a banana, it kind of sweetens it up. The acidity of the oranges go perfectly with this. I highly recommend you try it. And until next time, bye! Banana, the matcha of my life. Hey guys.